Lakit kasi ng ano.
Okay. Ano palang purpose ng retention policy? Bakit tayo nandito? Because we
Ang
want
kamay.
we are not after to the quantity of
So, word problems na yung ating sinasolve, no? Actually, nasolve na yata natin to, no? Rita is 12 years and 6 months old. So, meaning, if we convert to month or year yung ating age, Rita's age, so that would be for months, 12 times 12, that would be 144 plus 6. So, she is 150 months old. While si Jet, 4 years and 2 months younger. So 4 years and 2 months, 4 times 12, 48 plus 6. That would be 48 plus 2, sorry, 48 plus 2. That would be 50. 50 months younger daw. So meaning, subtract nyo yun. So ang age ni Jet is 100 months. Now, their ratio, Jet's age to Rita's age is Jet's age to Rita's age. So 100 over 150, that would be 2 over 3. Or 2 is to 3. Okay? Next. A tank can be filled by a pipe A in 3 hours and a pipe B by 5 hours. When the tank is full, it can be drained by a pipe C in 4 hours. Now, if the tank is initially empty and all 3 pipes are open, how many hours will it take to fill up the tank? So if you'll notice, meron tayong dalawang filling pipes and 1 draining pipe. So hindi sila pare-pareho ng, of course, ng rate. Pero you can say, safe to say, that yung filling pipe will be the positive one. And the draining pipe would be the negative one. So yung susubtract. Okay? So alam natin na ang rate natin is express work or number of work per time. Right? So si A ay 1/3. 1 work, 3 hours. Si B, 1/5. 1 work, 5 hours. And then si C, 1 work, 4 hours. So sabi, initially empty, okay, so magtatrabaho sila, magpapump sila lahat, plus 1/5. But this time, si 1/4, susubtract kasi draining siya. Okay? That would be equal to 1 over x. So to solve for x, that would be 1 all over kanino? 1/3 plus 1/5 minus 1/4. Pakisolve po yung x.
Pag sinabi natin UE, equivalent siya sa 5. Kaya naka-4. Pareho sila. Pareho mo kailangan ko ulitin sa atin. Kailangan lang, pag 5, meron kang effort. Minsan tapos madalas yung effort mo hindi na-reach yung effort kayo. Pumapot sa 75%. Pero pag UE, ito, tali wala kang pinasa, wala kang ginawa, wala kang pinatay.
3.53, okay. So 3.53 hours.
So 3 months is absence natin. Letter A, being indisposed due to severe illness or accident.
Next, pipe 1.
Pero nangyayari pa rin naman siya. Ano ba, aksidente, or meron
Pipe 1 takes 5 days to drain a pool and pipe B takes 7 days to drain the pool. How long will it take for the 2 pipes to drain the pool together? So, ini-expect natin dyan, filled with water yung pool. Eh, i-drain daw eh. Okay? So, wala nakalagay na half full. So, i-expect natin full. And since they are both draining, so all you need to do is to add. Okay, so 1/5 plus 1 over 7, that would be 1 over x. Okay, so yun ay 7 plus 5 all over 35. That would be equal to 1 over x. So therefore, x would be 35 over 12, which is how much? How much?
Okay? So, yun po natin Max's axis. Minsan yung Max's axis, depends din naman din sa prerogative ng instructor. So, minsan yung instructor, kung sa palagay niya, i-excuse naman yung accesses na yun. So, it's up to them, no? So, just ask nicely sa inyo mga instructor. Hindi yung pinipili instructor na, sir, ako pwede po ako excuse kasi yung birthday ko po. Birthday po ni Dora.
2.9.
Kailangan ko pong puntahan. So, awal po kami. So, hindi po excuse access. Pagkaan study first muna tayo, di ba? Study first bago, Dora, no? Or pwede pag sabihin. Pwede pag sabihin yung study natin. Pwede ba yan? Pwede ba yan? Bawal. Bawal ba sa okay. So next is suspension of classes. Ito gusto ng tao. Nung online class, ito, meron suspension of classes. At kung natatandaan din ninyo dun sa face-to-face classes, meron din suspension of classes. So syempre, ganun din, no? Meron din tayong suspension of classes. Pagdating ngayon, ng new normal face-to-face classes. Yung mga typhoons. Ito na-experience natin to. I think this was doon sa Bulan na, no? Nagkaroon ng suspension. 2 araw ay naging suspension, diba? Isang half day na parang Tuesday yata yun. Tapos kung Wednesday walang pasok. Tapos nagkaroon pa ng isa pang suspension ng Friday. Friday afternoon naman yung suspension. Hindi ko lang maalala kung kaya day. Okay, so suspension po ng mga classes, hindi po sa check ang parang natin, no? Kung meron sa inyo pala check target sa check, kasi sa check po ay regulatory body sa mga school, wala silang mapangyarihan. So walang mandatory check na mag-declare ng suspension. Ang PNP, being part of the local government of Valenzuela, ang PNP ay sumusunod sa directives ng NDRRC, National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council, or the Office of the City Mayor of Valenzuela, headed by Mayor Wesley Chalian, as well as the Office of the University.
2.92.
So kapag nag-declare ang City of Valenzuela ng suspension, at nakita ninyo sa page ng Valenzuela na nakalagay suspended ang klase,
So, days.
public, private, all
Okay.
levels. Baka may nagtatanong pa.
Next, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 11. If we interchange the digits, then the new number formed is 45 less than the original. Find the original number. Okay. Sum daw niya, 2-digit number is 11. So, ang gagawin niyo lang dyan, hindi na ako magsasolve yung sobrang haba. Trial and error na lang. Ang combination ng 11 would be 92, 83, 74, and 65. Tama? Okay. Tens units. If we interchange the digits daw, the new number formed is 45 less than the original. So kung 29, malabo na, no? Kung 38, mukhang ito ang tama, no? So ito ang tama. Kasi 83 minus 45, 38. Okay? 74, 47, 27 yun, eh, no? 65, 56, 9 lang. So, tama. Pero kung gusto nyo isolve using yung conventional, okay, sum of the digits is 11. If we let the tens as x, therefore, 11 minus x is the units. Tapos, if we interchange the digits, so, ibig sabihin may number tayo. Okay? So, we have 10x plus 11 minus x. Okay? Being equal to, the new number formed is 45 less than the original. So, naka-minus 45 to. Minus 45 is equal to 10 times 11 minus x plus x. Okay? So, ito ay 11x minus 34 na equal to 110x minus 10x plus x. So 9x, negative 9x. Negative 9x to, sorry, 110 pala. Ba't may x to? Okay. So ito ay negative 9x, lipat sa kabila, 20. Tapos 110, 34, lipat, 144. Kaso, may decimal. Teka, may mali. 45. 45 less than the original. Ito yung original eh. 10x. Negative 10x plus x. Negative 9x. Ah, 9x. Sorry, 9x to. So, this is 18x equal to 144. Therefore, x would be equal to 8. Tama? So, this is 8, then 11 minus 8, so we have 3. So, tama din, 83. Okay?
Okay, so let's talk about yung tatlong grades na sinasabi ko. Incomplete, ito para naintindihan din ito kung yung gagawin, unofficially draft, tsaka yung officially draft. So incomplete grade, by definition, it is given for you to use students whose class study throughout the semester is passing. Passing nga, hindi failing. But fail to comply, fail to comply with certain requirements of the course. Okay, so itong process na to, I'm not going to go in further details. You can take screenshots about in case for future. Kailangan nyo ng requirement, kailangan nyo ng references kung paano matatanggalin complete sa ito po yung gagawin. But take note of the following. Una, ang isang grade na INC or incomplete, you have to complete it within a period of 1 year from the semester the INC was incurred. So kayo ay nakuha na complete ng first semester. Meron kayo isang taon para i-comply.
Okay, next. The sum of the digits of two numbers is 9. When the digits are reversed, the new number is 9 less than 3 times the original. So find the number. Okay. So 9 lang yan. Less than 3 times the original. Kung 9 yan, meron tayong mga different combinations sa 9. Less than 3 times the original. When the digits are reversed, the new number is 9 less than 3 times the original. So 81, 72, tapos 63, and 54. Yan lang. So the new number is 9 less than 3 times the number. So kung i-reverse natin to, times 3, 54. So 54 plus 9, hindi pwede. Okay. If we reverse this, times 3. Diba? Times 3 is 81. So 9 less than the original, parang hindi, no?
There are times, di ba sabi dito sa number 1, completion within a period of 1 year.
9 less than 3 times the original. Hindi, tama lang. Tama lang, no? 9 less than siya. The new number is, hindi. Ito yung new number, 27 eh. Times 3, 81. Greater pa nga siya eh. No? 9 more than 3 times the original. Subukan natin to. Sobra na to. Pag tinimes natin by 3, 108. 108 minus 9. Sobra. So, ganito ang gawin natin para makasiguro tayo. Okay. The sum of the two digits is 9. So, let us say x yung tens. Yung units is 9 minus x. 9 minus x. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan, yung original number, 10x plus 9 minus x. Original. Pag ni-reverse, 10 times 9 minus x plus 10. Reverse. Right? Pinagpalit eh. Nandito na yung ano. Hindi, x lang to. Sorry. X.
units mo.
No, X lang to eh, no?
Matanggal sa
Okay.
college. Matanggal ka na sa pamantasan. Eh, pwede
So the sum of the digits. When the digits are reversed, the new number is 3 less than the original, less than 3 times the original. So if this is your original number, 10x plus 9 minus x, the original number, the new number is, so since less than siya, pwede natin subtract sa original yung 9. Diba? Okay, so 3 times yung original. The new number is 9 less than 3 times the original. So the new number is 10 times 9 minus x plus x is 3 times 3 times the original less by 9. So 10x plus 9 minus x, okay, minus 9. So 90 minus 10x plus x equal to 9x plus 9. No? So 9x plus 9, 27x plus 27 minus 9. So negative 9x plus 90 equal to 27x plus 18. Okay, so lipat natin sa kabila yung 18. Tapos si 27, hindi. Si 18 lipat sa kabila, si negative 9 sa kabila. So 27x plus 9x equal to 90 minus 18. Di ba ito ay 18x is equal to 72. Therefore, x would be equal to 4. Ayun, 4. No, 4. So if our x is 10, tens, which is 4, yung units natin would be 5, obviously. So the number, the original number, is 40. Pero sa mga irregular student, mga nag-shift, nag-transfer, nagpa-credit ng mga subject, okay, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga adding and changing of subject. So, magamit tayo ng academic loan revision form. So, ginagawa natin dito, pinapayagan ang adding and changing subjects kung nasatisfy nito yung mga sumusunod. Meron conflict sa class schedule. Yes, let's proceed. John has 20 ounces of 20% salt solution. How much salt should he add to make it a 25% solution? Okay. If you notice, meron siyang mixture, 20 ounces, ito yung volume, 20% salt. Kung walang declaration kung anong solvent niya, let's assume na 80% yung water. Okay? Mag-a-add daw ng salt. So take note, salt. Salt lang. Ibig sabihin, 100% salt yun. Okay, so yung volume niya is unknown. That would be, okay, equal to, so yung bagong percentage, magiging 25%. 25% salt, and obviously this is 75% water. So ano magiging combination? 20 plus x. Right? Okay. So pwede natin siya i-solve by salt muna, by salt. So by salt, 0.2 times 20, yung composition niya, percentage times yung total volume, plus wala tayo, ay purong salt yon, so 100%, which is 1 times x. Okay? Equal to 0.25 multiplied by 20 plus x. Okay? So this is 4 plus x equal to 5, no? 5 plus 0.25 x. Okay, lipat-lipat. So we have x minus 0.25x equal to 5 minus 4. Therefore, 0.75x is equal to 1. And x is equal to 4 thirds or 1.33 ohms. So let's check if tama siya using yung concept naman ng solvent. So by solvent, by water, okay, so we have 0.8 multiplied by 20 plus, wala tayong water dito, so 0% times x equal to, magiging daw 0.75 times 20 plus x. So 16 equal to 0.75 times 20, 15 plus 0.75x. So 1 here equal to 0.75x, therefore x is still 1.4 thirds or 1.33 ohms. Okay? So the applied number of lectures applies no one must not exceed the length of the limong access. Kasi kung ano ba, bigla pumasok ang tawag doon is avoid, no? Absence without official. At angkas sa capacity of 10 gallons. Guys, ito po yung process ng LOA. Yan. So this is the process ng LOA sa mga students na para kapag for. When it is full, it contains 15% alcohol. How many gallons must be replaced by an 80% alcohol solution to give 10 gallons of 70%? So ang scenario nito, meron tayong total of 10 gallons. Kung full yan, it contains 15%. Anong i-replace natin? Kapag magre-replace ka, dapat may tatanggalin ka, di ba? Tapos yung ibabalik mong amount must be enough para mabuo pa rin yung 10 gallons. Meaning, kung ilan yung volume na nilabas mo, must be the volume nung ipapasok mo. Pero in different concentration. Okay? So ito siya. 10 gallons. 15% daw alcohol. 15% alcohol. So we assume that 85% noon tubig. Tapos magtatanggal daw tayo ng tubig. Okay? 100% tubig yun. Okay? H2O. So let's say X yun. Then magdadagdag naman tayo ng ilan daw? 80% solution. Alcohol. So 80. Taas. No? 80% dito. So 20% here. Then, kung ano yung nilabas mo, yun din yung papasok mo. No? That would be total of dapat negative plus positive. No? So may iwan pa rin 10. Pero ang bago niyang concentration is 70. Right? 70. 70% tapos 30% dito. Okay? So let's solve. By alcohol. So we have 0.15 multiplied by 10. So alcohol niya wala. So minus 0 times x, then plus 0.8 times x. That would be equal to 0.7 times x. Okay? So 1.5 to na. Plus 0.8 x equal to 0.7. But bakit siya yung negative? Ngayon, kung ano yung program na yun is, or kung ano yung alam ko na. 100% alcohol. Tatanggal ng alcohol. 1.5. Ba't kasi naka-X lang to? Sorry. Tama lang pala. Hindi. Water pa rin. Pero na nakalimutan ka sa meron boarding sa misabi. So, yung sa engineering mo, meron silang qualified. So, 7, no? 7 to. Tama? 7. Okay. So we have 0.8x equal to 5.5. Therefore, x would be equal to, what is 5.5 divided by 0.8?
Wala tayong shift after ng first step.
Parang 6 point something yan eh. Paka-check nga, 6 point, ano,
Lumipat tayo ng course. Wala tayong shift.
6.875. Okay.
Kung meron naman kayong mga friends na nasa
6.875
gustong
dollars.
lumipat ng city, just inform them na wala tayong shift before second step. Shifting natin after ng second step. Ano lang pwedeng gawin nila kung gamitin natin kung sa gusto nila.
Okay, next. A mad scientist has one solution that is 30% acid and another solution that is 18% acid. How much of each should he use to get 300 liters of a solution that is 21% acid? Okay, so di ba in total, if we say x for 30%, so ibig sabihin nun, we have 300 minus x for 18%. Okay? Para mag-total up sa 300 pa rin. No? Okay, then dapat yung 300, 21% yung acid solution. So let's do that. We have 0.3x plus 0.18 times 300 minus x. That would be equal to 0.21 times 300. Okay, so 0.3x plus, I guess this is 54, right? Minus 0.18x equal to, I guess, 63. So 0.12x equal to 63 minus 54. 0.12x equal to 9. Therefore, x would be equal to 9 over 0.12. Ilan yun? 75? Okay, 75. So kung 75 yung ating for 30%, malamang 225 yung, this is for 30%. Then 225 liters for 18%. Okay?
Sakaling mag-shift. Okay, so we're talking about yung galing ng city. Pupunta ng ibang course. Tama ba? Galing ng city. So sa city ngayon na kayo doon, pupunta ng ibang course. Okay. So syempre,
Next. At what time, minutes between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, both the needles will coincide at each other. So madaling solve to sa analog, no? Titingnan nyo lang. Okay, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So ito yon between here, 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Nag-coincide yung hour hand tsaka yung minute hand. Tanong, ano daw yan? So if we let yung kanyang total travel, okay, total travel be x. X must be equal to, so ito ay part of x over 12 yan. X over 12. Plus yung region kung saan una siyang, ay yung present siyang lumagpas, which is 3. 3 times 5 yun, di ba? Kasi per every digit, 5. So x equal to x over 12 plus 15. Ito sa kabila, 11x over 12 is equal to 15. Therefore, x would be 180 over 11. And that is how much? Ilan yun?
Anything else? The question pa? Pero mas po yung pwede i-shift o sakali bumagsak po, o sakali inisip ko na nagbabagsak. Anong parts po pwede shift o sakali bumagsak? At pinaka...
Ilan to?
Pinaka...
16.36. Pero yung tinatanong is yung time. So the time is 3:16.36.
Okay. Ang tinatanong ko sa kalimatang sa engineering. Kasi engineering dahil hindi po basta ng qualifying exam or
Okay?
non-retention o yung 7 to 8 units. Siyempre, pag nasatisfy mo, halimbawa yung requirements na sabihin natin ng ganitong course, halimbawa, ito na, ayaw mag-draft name ng course. Halimbawa, itong course na ito, yung course na nasatisfy yung requirement niya, so pwede ka lumipat doon. Wala namang requirement so far ang mga courses natin na halimbawa, yung mga shifters sila kailangan ikaw business at kailangan ABM ang senior. Wala namang ganung requirements. Kasi halimbawa, kung karamihan sa inyo mga STEM, tapos hindi pinahalan na magpatuloy sa engineering, nakapasa naman sa requirement na ganitong course kahit hindi ganun yung strand nila ng senior. Tinatagot naman nila. Basta nakapasa doon sa requirement. Okay, ano ang tips niyo sa aming mga freshmen or joke? Okay, anong tips nila sa amin sa mga freshmen? Meron kayong magkakaroon kayo ng mga separate seminars about sa mga sa
Wala.
ay kasi ayoko ni sugarcoat na kasi pinipili ay talagang madali lang. Hindi yung madali lang yung mag-aaral. Kasi mahirap talaga. Ay, lalo na sa department natin yung may pinakamaraming mga irregular students. Kasi maraming mga related subject, maraming mag-mid years. Kasi mahirap talaga. So ang tips ko sa inyo, huwag kayong masyadong ito lang ito part sa mga estudyante ko. Alam dito ng mga naging estudyante ko. So, i-share ko na rin sa inyo kahit hindi ko pa kayo sila. So, kasi baka pakita ko na kayo sa 4 year na. 14 na lang. 6 sessions. Dalawa na lang. Okay. So, tips ko sa inyo, sa inyo mga freshmen, huwag kayong magre-rely na sa kung ano yung binibigay ng mga teachers ninyo. Example, assignment, seat work, mga plays. Huwag lang kayo magre-rely sa mga ganun. Nagbigay ng example si sir, nagbigay ng example si ma'am, tapos nagsabi may seat work, may quiz, may exam. Tapos yun lang yung maaralin nyo. Always make it a habit or gawin ninyo personality nito na lagi kayong meron thirst, lagi kayong nauuhaw sa problems, engineering problems, mag-solve ng mga problems. Kung hindi masagot na yung problems, you can ask the help of your instructors. Paano po ba ginawa? Kasi, pero syempre hindi pwede yung direct cabinet ng cabinet. So, pwede po kung masagutan po. So, syempre, try mo muna. Basta, yun na yung tip ko, no? Magsagot ng mga word problems, mga equations, kung kailan derivative, kung nahihirapan sa derivative, nahihirapan mag-integrate, nahihirapan ganito mga techniques sa engineering math, etc. So, gawin nyo siya ng paulit-ulit. At paano namin gagawin sila paulit-ulit? Kasi sagutin na, okay ba sila mga tao? Kasi anong ginagawa nyo, hindi kayo nagiging kabisok doon. Binibuild up nyo, instant knowledge nyo. Para the moment na makita kayo ng problem at binasa ninyo, in-analyze nyo, parang nasa kailagiman ko ng tukote ko na parang nagdaanin ko doon ng pag-aral ko. Tapos nasa instant knowledge na rin.
Okay, next. At what time between 4 o'clock will the hands of the watch point in opposite direction? So this time opposite naman. So basta marunong lang kayo mag-interpret ng analog, madali na lang yun eh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. 4 and to 5, yan. So nandito yung hour. As malamang, oppositely, between 10 and 11, no? Tama? Naman yung minute. If that is the case, yung total travel ni Minitan ng pag-uusapan dyan, that would be x. Okay? And this part, from 10 to 11 is x over 12. So that x would equal to x over 12 plus 10 times 5. Okay? So 11x over 12 would be equal to 50. 11x is equal to 600. Therefore, x would be equal to 600 over 11, which is how much?
Orientation dito. Meron daw kayong activity quiz yata na related dito sa mga
For
you have to listen there.
54.54.
May question pa ba?
54.54 minutes. Pero ang tinatanong ay time. So therefore, the time is 4:54.
Wala ka si ate. Send lang chat sa question. Send lang ng questions sa chat.
Okay? And by the way, guys, sa
Tapos na tayo sa
sa Wednesday, please prepare a certain amount. Kasi hindi kasi naman libre kayo yung printing. Kung okay lang naman sa inyo, please prepare an amount. Depende pa, hindi ko pa nakikita yung quiz eh. Okay? So set A, set B. Paraan lang. Kahit paano, may balik din yung sa ink. Okay? So hindi naman ninyo kahihirap yun. Hindi naman naabot ng 10 pesos. Siguro piso per page lang will do. Okay. Now, it takes Michael 60 seconds to run a 440-yard track. Ang tanong, how long does it take Jordan to run around the track if they meet in 30 seconds after they start together in a race around the track in opposite direction? Okay. So, alam natin, kaya natin i-solve yung rate ni Michael. Yung rate ni Michael is yung total track distance, which is 440 over 60. So that would be 22 over 3, if I'm not mistaken. 22 over 3 yards per second. Right? Okay. So hindi natin alam yung rate ni Jordan. Ano? Rate ni Jordan 440 over something time. Let's say T1 yun. At time ni Jordan. Okay? So hindi alam. But if you'll notice, kung ito ay circular, yung track, at they start at the same point, let's say ito yung starting point. Okay? Si Michael, may mako-cover na ganitong distansya. Okay? While si Jordan, hindi pa natin sure, may mag-cover na ganung distansya. Okay? Anong oras daw sila nag-meet? Ilang minutos, segundo? 30 seconds ano sila? 30 seconds. Okay? At 30 seconds. Okay? So, therefore, yung total time would be equal to yung kasi this rate is equal to distance over time. So distance over rate, no? Distance over. So rate ni Michael plus yung distance rate ni Jordan. Okay? Di ba time to? Time requirement. So total nila, may tinakbo siya eh. Okay? May tinakbo sila. Ang total nila, 30. Okay, so 30. So hindi natin alam yung distance travel. In 30 seconds, kaya natin makuha yung distance niyan. Ni total distance ang gawin natin.
Meron tayong sub-specialized fields. So, I think hindi nyo pa siya masyado ma-appreciate.
Total distance is equal to distance traveled by Michael plus distance traveled by Jordan. Okay. So obviously, they must complete 440 yards, no? Okay, 440. So ang distance traveled ni distance equal to rate times time, no? Ni Michael would be, okay? So same time lang sila, no? Time ni Michael and time ni Jordan are the same. Kasi they meet at that very instant. So we have 22 over 3, which is the rate of Michael, times the time, which is 30. Okay? plus yung rate ni Jordan, hindi natin alam, pero 30 seconds din yung requirement para mag-meet sila, makover yung full 440. Okay? So this is 440 would be equal to, so 22 times 10, 220 no? Plus 30 times the rate of Jordan. So 220 is equal to 30 times rate of Jordan. Tama, o mali yung pagkakakompute ko.
Pwede makatulong sa pagsuko mabawas ng malaking traffic.
Ba't pareho silang rate? Wait lang. Dapat may mas interpret ko lang. 60 seconds niya ni tinatakbo yung 440. Wait lang.
Isa ko sa mga optimized works ang transportation. Yan lang, no? Sige. Tawag dito. Yung president ang ninyo, yung cases, si Galix, nandito siya. So siya ay under siya ng transportation engineering subspecialization. Ngayon sa batch nila, so si Ate Galix,
32 seconds pala.
si Ate Alicia kanina na
32 seconds kasi magpapareho talaga yan yung 30 seconds eh, no?
sa batch nila,
So gawin natin 32 to. Kaya pala.
construction building management transportation. For the past 2 years, hopefully,
Okay? Pagka natin ng 32 yan ah. So ito 32. Tapos 32 to. Kasi magpapantay eh, no? Magkasing bilis sila. Okay, kung 32 to, ilan ngayon yan? 220 over 32. 32 ba? Hindi 220. Hindi 220 to so.
Hindi maganda yung transportation system sa paligid niya. Hirap na hirap yung mga tao na pumunta. Nahihirapan sila sa public transportation. Nahihirapan sila mag-commute. Pupunta pa lang sila doon sa area mo. Abot din na ng ilang oras. So, aanin mo yung mga ganong marvel. No? Kung hindi maganda yung transportation.
Pa-check nga kung anong value nito.
Pero it is too early to discuss ito mga value. Okay, so
22 times 32 over 3.
Ngayon ay nasa first semester, hindi ko na siya na-update pero bilang
Kasi yung rate ni Jordan, rate ni Jordan na lumabas ay 77 over 12 yards per second. So, ibig sabihin, gaano katagal niyan tatakbuhin yun? Kung siya lang tatakbuhin niya entirely the full track. So, the time ni Jordan, that would be yung 440 na distance divided by 77 over 2. Tama ba? Distance over rate. Okay, so the time for Jordan to so dito makover yung buong 440 hours is 68.57. Paki-check mo 68.57 seconds. So mas mabagal siya, no? Okay? Tama ba? 68.67.
Ito magkakaroon ng subject ng 40 kasi meron sila ng thesis. So, mabigyan yung thesis. Kaya magkakaroon yung mga subject kasi lalo na pagdating ng second sem, 15 units na. Kasi may thesis. So, mabigat yung thesis. Sige project 1, sige project 2, makahalan yung thesis. Okay, so working roadmap.
Okay, so tama.
Civil engineering learning ninyo.
Okay.
Mga code na yan.
Now, each problem naman tayo. 6 years ago, Nilda was 5 times as old as Riza. Then in 5 years, Nilda will be 3 times as old as Riza. What is the present age of Riza? Okay, so meron tayong dalawang era na pinag-usapan here. One is ago, which is past, and the other is future kasi may term na will be. at saka in. Okay? So, past and present. So, hindi natin pwedeng ma-interchange yung mga ages nila kasi if you notice, wala naman total age. So, i-assume natin na ang age ni Riza ay X. And si Nilda ay Y. So, 6 years ago, lagyan natin sa era na yun, 6 years ago. Ibig sabihin, XY, o since 6 years ago, X minus 6, Y minus 6. Tapos yung in 3 years, or rather in 5 years, that should be X plus 5, taka 1 plus 5. Okay. Unahin natin dito. Sabi niya 6 years ago, Nilda, which is the age of Nilda, Y minus 6, was 5 times, sana naman. Pindot.
Yan yung equivalent sa senior
Bad kasi late eh.
Susunod sa summa cum laude is magna cum laude.
Y minus 6 equal to
Sabi nila, ito yung base din. Magna, pero tama. Overall G1 naman.
5 times X minus 6.
1.30.
So Y minus 6 equal to 5X minus 30. Transpose everything to the right side. So we have 5X minus Y, negative 30 plus 6 minus 24. That would be equal to 0. Okay, or 5X minus Y equal to 24. Let this be equation 1. So then in 5 years, Nilda daw, Nilda is Y plus 5, will be 3 times as old as Lisa, X plus 5.
Sir, excuse me po, nawala po ata yung presentation po, sir.
So take note, kapag magko-compute tayo ng GWA, ng candidates for all.
Okay, so we have Y plus 5 is equal to 3X plus 15. Transpose everything to the right side. So we have 3X plus 15 plus Y plus 5. Minus Y minus 5. Equal to 0. So we have 3X minus Y plus 10 is equal to 0, or 3X minus Y is equal to negative 10. So gamitin ang calculator. Kung meron kayong calculator, hanapin yung mode 5, yung equation. Two equations, two unknowns. I-input nyo na lang yan. Yung two equations. 5 tapos negative 1, 24. Tapos 3x, so 3x, 3, negative 1, negative 10. Pero for discussion purposes, sige, solve natin. 24, then we have 3x minus y is equal to negative 10. So pag sinubtract natin, 2x is equal to 34, right? 24 plus 10. Therefore, your x, which is Riza's age, is 17. Riza is 17 years old. Bata. Okay?
Pero syempre, sabihin nyo sir, pinakamababa ko pong grade sa ang grade ko po halos lahat sa semester as a book for them is 1.75 sa tapos turun lalaro na sa pero ito yung naging panglabi. Baka hindi nakapasok yung G1 sa Edward. Okay? May question ba? May questions at nakay sa group chat. Okay, so last time, nagkaroon ng mga honor students sa Civil Engineering Department. So this is the first time na nagkaroon ng honor students. We had 2 cum laudes, saka isang magna cum laude. So this is the first time since the start ng Civil Engineering program in
2030. Bukas. Dito na. Sabihan mo, Sir Kishi.
First time nagkaroon ng honor.
Makalimutan na.
So, honor student
Wala si Alex.
Bakit? Nagsabi pa na pupunta dito. A father tells his son, I was your age now when you were born. Now, if the father is now 38 years old, how old is son 2 years ago? Okay, ilagay natin sa senaryo, father. Sun.
Ulit din ng batch na 2020 kasi 2022 servency, check rin sa differential.
Okay?
Saka sa second sa
So, ito yung past. Ito yung present.
and we also had our
Now, kung babasahin natin siya,
first time dito naman top natin ng PLP sa civil engineering last November 20.
if the father is now 38 years old, so ilagay natin yan. I was your age now. Ito yung present age na niya when you were born. So, past, si father, ito daw yung X. Okay? Now, since he was born during that time, X years old si father, ilan taon si son nun? Kapapanganak lang, so wala, 0, no? Okay, therefore, we have to solve this now. 38 minus X is equal to X minus 0. Tama? So, 38 is equal to 2X, therefore, 2X would be equal to 19. Pero, how old was his son 2 years ago? Ito kasi present eh. So, ang hinahanap ay 2 years ago. So, 19 minus 7, 2 rather, is 17 years. Okay?
Hindi kasama dito sa pinipilang ko yung mga quizzes o yung mga special exams. So, midterm exam, kaya siya na-administer obviously kapag midterm exam, final term exam kapag finals na. Okay, ano yung coverage ng academic exam? Nakadepende dun sa subject. Merong mga subject na walang midterm exam, merong mga subject na walang final term exam. So, depende yun sa requirement ng subject. And paano ba natin ito kung midterm yung final? So, it's not engineering qualifying examination. Engineering qualifying examination without ito ay ginagawa sa end ng first year, second semester. Okay, after departmental examination. So, mamaya malaman ko kung sinatawag na departmental examination. So, it must be taken for promotion to second year ng lahat ng mga engineering students at lahat din ng mga estudyante na gustong mag-shift to engineering. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na kapag nagpas ako yung qualified examination, makopromote ko sa engineering. Pero hindi rin sabihin na regular ka kasi kasi pwede kasama ang pero kasi dahil ang baba pwede ka pasama
Okay, next.
promoted ka na second year, tapos regular student.
Paula is now 18 years old and her colleague Monica is 14 years old.
So,
How many years
was regardless ng grade,
how many years age was Paula twice as old as Monica? Okay.
ito yung matatanggal ng at hindi rin kayo
So, i-tabulate lang natin ha.
okay, so ano ba yung
Monica.
coverage ito? Ito yung tatlong major
Si Paula daw ay 18 ngayon, si Monica ay 14. Tapos, how many years age was? How many years age? Ibig sabihin, was Paula as old as Monica? So, was, ibig sabihin past. So, past, yung X years, lagay muna natin, X years. Dapat pareho yung isusubtract natin, X years. So, was kasi kaya 18 minus X, tsaka 14 minus X. How many years age was Paula twice as old as Monica? Paula is 18 minus X, was twice as old as Monica. So 18 minus X equal to 28 minus 2X. So transpose negative X plus 2X equal to 28 minus 18. Therefore, X would be equal to 10 years.
ng mga major subjects during the final term. So, kumbaga, ang NEPTA sa academic examination. Pero nangyari dito, sabay-sabay, no, yung exam. Para kayong mag-board exam.
Okay.
So, halimbawa, sa first year, meron kayong
Target to sa 7 tapos na eh, para ano.
Meron kayong NEPTA sa first sem.
Now, a jogger starts a course at a steady rate of 8 kilometers per hour. 5 minutes later, a second jogger starts the same course at 10 kilometers per hour. How long will it take the jogger to catch the first? Okay. So, jogger 1, okay, ito yung takbo niya. 8 kilometers per hour. So, tumakbo siya. Okay? Tapos, 5 minutes later, so ibig sabihin, may headway na 5 minutes, nakatakbo na siya in 5 minutes. Okay? Si jogger 2 naman, tumakbo. Okay? Ang takbo niya, 10 kilometers per hour. Tanong, how long will it take the second jogger to catch the first? So basically, dapat pag sinabi mong catch the first, equal yung distances. So we have distance of jogger 1 must be the same sa jogger 2. So we have 8 kilometers per hour multiplied by, should we say, yung time for jogger 2 must be x. So ibig sabihin, kay jogger 1, x plus 5. Tama? Kasi nauna siya eh. Okay? Would be 10 times x. So 8x plus 40 equal to 10x. So 40 is equal to 2x, therefore x is equal to 20. So 20 minutes, no? 20 minutes or 1/3 hour.
It is administered at the end of the semester to test competencies acquired by the students for major subjects during second and third year. Kung ang exam sa dulo ng first year ay qualifying exam, ang exam naman sa dulo ng second and third year ay competency assessment exam. Okay, so ano po isabog ng CAT? Sa second year, lahat ng subject nila second year. So ano ngayon, na-major yung surveying, hindi kasama yung drawing, surveying, engineering, economics, differential equation, statics of rigid bodies, building design, geology, dynamics of rigid bodies, mechanics of deformable bodies. Pagdating naman sa third year, lahat ng subject, structural theory, highway level engineering, basta lahat ng subject, no? Lahat na. So parang talaga siyang third exam. Then yung huling exam, i-take ninyo is yung exit examinations. So this is a 2-day examination that you must be passed before clearance for graduation is granted. So examination po siya ng licensure or board exam. Kaya minsan kung exit exam, tinatawag din siya as pre-board. So ano po yung sakop nito? 2 araw siya. Very similar to the board exam. So ang sakop niyan, the first day, math, survey.
Okay, next. A boat travels downstream. Excuse me. In 2/3 of the time, it goes upstream. So when we say downstream, kung yan ay tawag din na normal river or anumang body of water na tawag dito, kung saan yung mga boat or mga ship travels, okay? Normally may current yung yung flow na current, pero may yung may current siya. So when you say downstream, sabihin you go with the flow. But if you say you're going upstream, you're against the flow. Okay? So if the velocity of the river's current is 8 kilometers per hour, determine the velocity of in still water. So if we say T is the time for upstream, of course, 2/3 T yung downstream. Okay? Downstream. So with that, let's say yung X would be the velocity in still water. So X minus V yung sa upstream velocity. X plus 8 yung downstream. So meaning, distance upstream is the same as distance downstream. Okay, so distance upstream is
to help you
T
gain extra fuel for the licensure.
times x minus 8 equal to downstream 2/3 T
Yan. So masabi
times
tayo ng
x plus 8.
mga quiz na ng quiz po.
Cancel na to. Okay, so x minus, cross multiply natin 3x minus 24 equal to 2x plus 16. So lipat, lipat. We have now x would be equal to 40 kilometers per.
University to represent PNB. No, hindi nire-represent niya lang yung sarili niya. Hindi niya lang nire-represent yung organization. Kundi nire-represent niya rin yung tamang task ng person. Meron itong dual na review session. So, syempre, as compared sa tutorial session, mas advanced yung mga tinuturo sa mga quizzes. Kasi nga, quiz. Tapos, they will be asked to work under pressure. Okay, to work under pressure to select, to represent PLB to these competitions shall be selected through a competitive selection process. I think kung gano'n namamalin sa Friday ang selection process ng mga quizzers. Kaya kung halimbawa kayo ay, you do have the guts and you believe.
Okay, let's proceed.
So join the,
Mukhang patapos na to. What is log to the base 10 of 10 raised to 3, 1,000 raised to 3.3? Okay, so solve natin na. Log of 1,000 raised to 3.3 to the base 10. So, pwede natin ibaba yan na. 3.3 log of 10 to the base 10, 1,000. 3.3. So, pwede pa rin natin express in exponential yan. No? So, we have 10 cube. Pwede. 10 times 10 times 10. No? O, pwede ulit natin ibaba yun. So, 9.9. 3 times 3.3. Log of 10 to the base 10. So, that is equal to 1. So, the answer is 9.9. Okay? Okay, next. Patapos na tayo. Hindi naman. Dapat wala 6 na lang ako nag... Given log of 7 to the base 4 is equal to n. Find log of 1 over 7 to the base 4. Okay, so write lang natin log of 7 to the base 4 is n. So i-highlight natin siya kasi pag in-apply natin to, yung log of 1 over 7 to the base 4 is actually log of 1 to the base 4 over log of 7 to the base 4. Okay? Now, since nagdi-divide tayo, this is actually equal to log of 1 to the base 4 minus log of 7 to the base 4. No? And this is what? 0 yan eh. 0 yan. Bakit 0? Di ba kung i-equate natin siya, log of 1 to the base 4, 0. Tama? O, 4 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Tama? Tama? So, exponential. Okay? Kaya 0 yan. And log of 7 to the base 4 is this. Yun. So, we have negative and is the answer. Tapos ka na, sir? 7:30 daw, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ako yung mas kasuhan na siya.
Ha?
Wala nang
Oh.
wala rin ng mga
Bilisan lang natin mag-check ng mga.
Take the pencils, sir. So, share ko lang din. Ayun, si Sir Bensigno.
Ano sir, makapagay siya naman.
Part din siya ng parts.
1-2 lang talaga.
Awan.
Maingay. 1-2 din, maingay. Pero mas 1-2.
Hindi siya relative. Tapos sabi,
1-2?
positive, automatic, ma-apekto ang ganun.
Ano ba yun? Si Cass.
Siyempre, depends pa rin ang
Beatrice Cass. Taas ang taas sa akin. Okay. Yung maliit lang, yung puti, Beatrice.
Sa nag-aras.
Yung matandaan.
Ay, Siemens. Siya tayo sa...
Okay,
Piling ko siya.
hindi naman siya masasabay sa review session kasi
Siya yung sa hindi po kayo.
ako yung gumagawa ng
Tatanungin ko nga next
session.
week. Ito kasi ko sa akin.
Ginagawa ko kung merong mga feeders sa ganitong section.
Next.
gagawa ko ng comment.
If you have log of 10 to the base a, it's 0.25. What is the value of log of a to the base 10? Sulat lang natin na. The base a is 0.25. What is log of a to the base 10? So, ang log of a to the base 10 is actually log of a over log of log of 10. Okay.
May question pa? May question na?
Log of a 10 to the base 8.
Siyempre, iba pa.
8 to the base 10.
Tapos na ako sa...
Iba pang mga estudyante na tawag dito.
Log of 10 to the base
Pero participate no, sa
0.25.
mga project no, sa PLB,
Log of 10 to, ito yun, log of 10. Okay. Naalala ko na. Kasi may base ganyan yan eh. Isa, yung isa base to, yung isa ito. Okay.
Some of you hindi man emerge as candidates or participants sa mga community projects sa future. Kasi ibang bagay, no? Marami pang iba no, sa larangan ng musika, video games, scenic, research, athletics, iba pa. Pero hindi ko na malagay lahat dito, no? Kasi ang hirap kumanap ng pictures. Kaya hindi ko na siya malagay. Tsaka ang
Teka lang ha.
slide natin. Pero ito ba, may kita naman siya sa Facebook. No? Kaya baka meron din.
Inisip ko eh, parang nagkabaliktad ako. Log of A over log of 10.
Okay, so in terms of university facilities, I know that you have seen this already. Showcase ko to dun sa student dispatches na purely online yung experience nila. Pero kayo nakita nyo na to, pero hindi nyo pa siya experience ng hand kasi wala pa kayo mga fast. So ang PLB, meron tayong 4 na computer labs with latest hardware specifications that can run engineering software such as smartphones, autopilot, PC, etc. Kung yun nakakapalit, Ryzen 5. Meron pa, di ko sure pero meron computer na Ryzen 5 yata yung processor. So hindi pwede ito din ang tolerance. By the way, if I lumang pictures, so this was taken in I think 2018 yata. This was taken last Thursday, last week. This is a class ko na autopilot. So pinicturean ko sila habang they are doing their drawing subject o yung part of yung related drafting.
Log of 10 to the base A, baliktad siya. Log of 10 to the base A. Kaya pala hindi makuha eh. So, yung log of 10 to the base A, tignan natin to. Is actually log of 10 over log of A. Okay?
Tapos meron tayong materials testing lab.
Yan, ito siya.
Yung
Okay.
laboratory na to ay mag-test ng materials. No? Kasi part din ng civil engineering subject. Testing ng cement, steel.
So, yung log of 10 to the base A is natin dito. What is log of 10? Since may 10 base yan, definitely that should be 1. Then yung log of 10 to the base A is 0.25. So 0.25. Therefore, our answer should be 4. May tapos na, hindi pa. Hindi pa yan. Okay. So the answer is 4 Now last. Finally. Maaga pala tayo matatapos. O leeway yan para makapag-review pa kayo sa next subjects nyo, and please prepare for our quiz next week Well, let's finalize this. Log of 6 plus x log of 4 is equal to log of 4 plus log of 32 plus 4 is to x. We're asked to solve for x. So first things first, ano ba? Pwede kong iakyat to, no? Log of 6 plus log of 4 raised to x. Okay? Tapos ito, log of 4 plus, plus log of 32 plus 4 raised to x. Okay. Pwede natin combine yan, multiplication property, no? Log of 6 times 4 raised to x equal to, ganun din dito, log of 4 times 32 plus 4 raised to x. Okay? Next. Pwede na natin cancel yung log. So we have 6 times 4 raised to x equal to, so 4 times 32 plus 4 raised to x. So hindi natin ma-multiply. Pero ito, ma-distribute natin. So 128 plus 4 times 4 raised to x. O, transpose natin. So we have 6 times 4 raised to x minus 4 times 4 raised to x. That would be 128. So pwede na mas-subtract, no? 2 times 4 raised to x equal to 128. O, divide everything by 2. So we have 4 raised to x equal to 64. Therefore, x would be equal to 3. Kasi 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Okay? Okay na. Ayun na. So, save ko lang Maaga pa kasi kami bukas May attend kami ng Manila Book Fair. It's like that.
Kasi ginagawa, tinokompleto muna namin kung ano-ano mga sections yung sasali. So kung merong klase na managsagay sa during the time, so syempre hindi kayo pupunta. Tantayin niyo yung announcement. Kasi lahat ng nag-sign up doon ay may eliminate. Okay, so send your questions na. Questions.
Send ko sa sa Messenger, sa GC. My angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel.
Pero complete din sa loob. Yung complete samples, nagawa niya siyang gagawin niya siya, i-mix niya siya, kasi i-test niya yung kanya compression. Kung yung kanya expressive step.
Okay, so I think you're ready for your quiz, first quiz. Siguro maximum na yung 5 pesos guys sa bayad sa quiz. Okay? Before we end our session, let me check your attendance first. Angel, babe. Dito na lang para sa ko.
Okay, so ito naman hydraulic jump apparatus. Tapos itong nasa kanan, rainfall simulator. Kung ito yung nagkaroon ng simulator ulan, yan yung ginagamit. Because of the mechanical excavation of the laboratory, kung nakakaandin by wind channel, may part din ang pinangalan natin proceeding ng wind. At yung ito yung lecture room. Ginawa nila ng virtual tools. Sa computer dito sa mga pero nag-talk lang. Then, ano yung sa section? Sa section ako nakita na parang na-compare ko yung first day ng council pinapasali sa video. So, devotion lang. So, ano mo ito ang kami facilities sa third floor at fourth floor pala yung Liberation Center. Ito yung kulay orange yung kanila. Ito, it will house yung environmental engineering laboratory at transportation laboratory. Sa third floor naman, yung engineering installation of housing laboratory.
When I call your name, please say present. Okay. Ambelon.
Present.
Antonio. Mga magkakasama.
Present po, sir. Present po.
Bakay.
Present po, sir.
Balukan.
Present po.
Bautista.
Present po.
Ba't malungkot, Bridget? Bondo.
Hindi po, sir.
Present po, sir.
Cabral.
Present po, sir.
Canizares.
Present po, sir.
Dailisan.
Present po.
Teato.
Present po, sir.
Del Rosario.
Present po, sir.
Encarnacion.
Present po.
Ferrer.
Present po.
Galapon.
Present po.
Gayon.
Present po.
Guillermo.
Present po.
Miwa.
Present po, sir.
Huera.
Present po.
Hyper. Ang lakas ah. Bising.
Present po, sir.
Lopez.
Present, sir.
Maningan.
Present, sir.
Marfil.
Present po.
Nicolas.
Present po, sir.
Tenar. Tenar.
Present po.
Omega.
Present po, sir.
Pagaduan.
Present po.
Magkakasama siguro po. Kanina kasi nakita ko yung tatlo eh. Si Carmela, si Sarah, tsaka si Brandon. Malamang magkakasama pa rin tumato. Palakay.
Present po.
Perocho.
Dito po, sir.
Gala. Again, Regala. Roldan.
Present, sir.
Samia.
Present po, sir.
Turingan.
Present po, sir.
Trinidad.
Present po, sir.
And Bilia.
Present po, sir.
Okay, so bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting hint about dun sa ano ha, sa mga magiging mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw. On October 27, 28, that would be our foundation day. Okay, so based dun sa napag-usapan sa Academic Council, babalik po si Mr. and Miss PLD, si Ataw Sayaw. May mga booths din na i-enjoy kayo sa dito sa school. So magkakaroon ulit ng fund generating activities ang bawat organization. And best of all, muli nating mararanasan ng intramurals. So, awa ng Diyos na na-convince si Madam na pwedeng intrams. Kaya sooner or later, magpapatawag na kami ng tryout regarding sa sa ating intramurals. Okay? Give your best shot para mabalik natin yung championship sa PLB, sa EE, sa engineering. Okay, concert, may year-end concert daw nagaganapin. Year-end nga so malamang mga batang November, December yun. MVP si Marfil ba yun, Eric? Kaso pag naglaro yung 6-4 nung IT, no? Magaling pala, no? Patay tayo dun. Si Kaisoto ng IT. Angkad. IT yun. Hanggang lang yata ako. Hanggang kilikili lang. Angkad eh. Pero sa accountancy, mga 6'2 yata ay matangkad eh. Pero kayang talunin kasi hindi naman kalakasan. Sa second year, merong Junmar Pajardo pa doon. Laki ng katawan. Makaltukad daw. Anyways, magkakaroon naman tryout eh. Papalam ko lang kay Dean para makabuo tayo ng lineup. So, be ready. Meron ba mga inquiries? Para mas, madistinguish natin yung klase. O pakiusap ko lang sa last year na yun na naman. Baka pwedeng mag-avail na kayo lahat ng ng org cert. First and last nyo yun eh. Hoy, Brandlin, wag kang maturo Ikaw ang mag-miss PLB sa atin. Turo ka ng turo, baka manuno ka dyan. Naasahan ka na ng lahat. Ikaw ang nag-miss CIT. Matik yun eh. Nakita ko, meron din sa second year, ang tangkad eh. Na EE. Parang mga 6'1 yata yun. Tsaka sa third year. Yung nga lang, hindi ko alam kung ano laruan. Bawi na lang kayo sa enjoy natin yung mga IGP, mga boots na sa foundation. Kasi this is our 20th year eh. And we expect na magkakaroon talaga ng bongacious na celebration. Bro mo, kapapanganak ko pa lang noon nung tinatag ang PLB. Ngayon, 20 years old na ako. Okay, hirap. Ang sarap. And ang sarap sa feeling. Nakaedad mo yung yung PLB. Okay, so wala nang concerns. Kung wala na, that ends our session. Again, prepare for our quiz. So after ng thesis nyo kay Sir Alex nyo, we'll proceed to hindi na siya by batch. Gawin na natin, kasya naman kayo sa isang room eh. Pero set A, set B kayo. So thank you so much. Have a great day, and this session is now dismissed.